Now let us show you various ways for using these 5 types of water. Kangen water makes your drinking water and cooking more flavorful. Kangen water helps to correct the acidic tendency of your body. Kangen water gives brewed coffee or tea a wonderfully mild flavor. Kangen water draws out the flavor of ingredients. Therefore, less seasoning such as salt is needed. Add Kangen water to strong acidic liquor such as whiskey for a smoother, milder flavor. Clean water is safe and healthy water. The water filter removes chlorine, rust, or impurities to supply delicious, clean water. Don't forget to use clean water when you take medication. This clean, pure water is best for your baby's formula. Acidic water is water that promotes beauty. Acidic water helps to close pores and tones your skin after a bath or washing your face. Acidic water also boils pasta to al dente perfection. For polishing eyeglasses and for washing dishes. Strong Kangen water has a cleaning effect which works like environmentally friendly detergent. Strong Kangen water is good for cleaning oil and tough grime on vents and ranges, and is also effective in cleaning cutting boards and in dishwashing. Strong acidic water has excellent disinfecting power that can prevent food poisoning. Strong acidic water is effective in washing your hands and in cleaning and disinfecting foods and cooking facilities. Strong acidic water will keep your everyday life sanitary. Leveluk improves your life with the power of Kangen water. It is time to produce delicious and healthy water at home. Make the most of these 5 electrolyzed types of water. For more information, please contact our Customer Support Center.